Okay, good afternoon, guys. We have Nasdaq here, NQ features, whatever you call it. I always try to find the NQ1 features, the one that people from America trade. I actually never find it, right? So, I'm on the free membership of TradingView because personally I don't usually use TradingView. I only use Trade Locker to do analysis and everything. So yeah, I'm on the free time here. So plenty of times I've shown how my strategy works and how I go about backtesting and checking the parameters of my model. So however, I don't want to go back though, but I can continue from here. So what I do normally is that each day, okay, normally traders, you don't trade every session, right? You don't trade every session. You wait for a session that you know that you have mastered, right? Personally, I once stumbled 2022. I stumbled around December. I stumbled across a ICT content, right? Well, I was using a normal trend lines, support and resistance, stuff like that. So I stumbled across ICT content and I started learning from there onward, right? So now the more the mentorship from ICT that I resonate with the most is the 2024, right? Because he started that one when I was in the picture. Most of new people can to ICT can agree to that. So what happened? So now from his new mentorship, so he said he's gonna you have to mark out the opening time of New York session, which is 7 a.m. New York session, right? And according to my back testing, I marked it out, which is 7 a.m. And according to my time of using the model and using it throughout the year, I realized that it's effective from half past 9. I mean from 7 to 11 a.m. That's what I have realized. So what do I do? So my only concern is the 50 minutes chart, the 5 minutes, and the 1 minute. So what do? I don't need no bias. I look at the chart before. Let me get rid of this. Let me try to get rid of this. So what do? I look at the chart before 7 a.m. pre-market, right? Which is a pre-market on the 18th of a of a November. So I look at the chart. So is it uh, a uptrend or a low? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? So now it looks as if like from this point here onward, the market started being a low trend or a short trend. Down, up, down. Okay, so now what do I have to do? I have to mark out the recent high. That's all I need. Not necessarily the recent low though. That's all I need. So the major low, I have to mark it out. Let me mark it out with this one, the horizontal ray, so that I can see it in the future. That's why I mark it. So now I need the toppest of the top. I'm gonna mark this one with the horizontal ray. So the smallest of the top, or the small, or the recent top, is this one here. All right. So now what happens? Price comes down, enters the pre-market 7 a.m. New York local time. Does it take out the high here? No, it goes down, and then it returns from this point at 20 past 8. Then at 15 minutes past 9, it goes down again, Now it takes us to 9:30, which is it's here at this red bottoms. So it means automatically there's no entry in this trading session because it is not given as an entry or according to my model. So what does that mean? It means I have to sit out the whole day. So now I have to go to the next day. So what happens in the next day? Cool. Same thing that happens. We mark out 7 a.m. We mark out 7 a.m. Where do we mark it on? On the 19th, because we're from the 18th. So now after marking 7 a.m. we go to 11. We must find 11 a.m. Where is 11 a.m.? It's here. So now before 7 a.m., which trend is there? We have consolidation, right? Fine. Which level is the highest, or which one is the most recent highest? The most recent highest, it's here. No, the most recent highest before 7, it's here. Let's not make mistakes. The most recent highest before 7, it's here. Right. Which one is the least? Let me adjust this one. Okay. So now uh, which one is the least or the highest? It's from here to here. Which one is the recent low? The recent low from this point to this point is this one. No robbery. Now the second one, remember, its only disadvantage, it is used for confluence. We also have to mark it, is this one. So now we know that the market is in consolidation. Which high is the market taking first? So the market, it's here before pre-market, which is 7 a.m. Then it goes up, it takes out this level of liquidity here. And then where does it fall into? It falls into a fair value gap. If you know ICT and the content of ICT, it falls into a fair value gap, right? Which is there, a CB, sell side buy side fair value gap. So now where is our level or our point of interest? It can be from here, this point. This can be our point of interest, or TP, take profit point, right? Or TP1. So now if you see price going up and taking out these levels, you can enter. If you're using the ICT 2024 mentorship, you can enter. However, for myself, I filtered it so that I don't enter just anytime. I wait for 9:30. So it means personally I was gonna wait for 9:30, and then throughout the from 8 o'clock to 8:30, I was gonna wait until it hits 9 here, and then it takes out this low of the lowest, and then it goes down here, make the green candle up, which is blue, and makes this one again, which is 9:10, makes another one. I was gonna wait, and then makes another one, 25, until this candle here, this candle here, which is 9:30. So now with this one being said, I would have known, okay, we've taken out sell side liquidity, so it means now we're going for buy side liquidity. Where is buy side? I was gonna do this and then mark it here. That's my stop loss. And then where is buy side? Buy side is the next level of the buy side is here. So I was gonna extend this to that side. So what does this mean? It means I was gonna enter here to get this position. So if I was able to, I can enter two positions using this model. However, I only wait for 9:30 or after 9:30. So now, which is good. So from there, it means it's a profitable trade. You can call it range, whatever you want, but that's how I see it. So now, uh, going forward to the next day, which is the 20, it's Wednesday, is it? The 20, the 20 it's Wednesday. Yeah, so what happens that every fucking day, no, I'm sorry for that long, every day I repeat the same second. So you see 20, right? I go again and I mark 7 a.m. New York local time. New York local time. Mark it out. Where do I go? 11. So now, before 7 a.m., I check the trend. Is it downtrend or uptrend? It's consolidation. So if it's consolidation, I need just to mark both sides. I have a buy side here, have to be marked. I have a recent low, which is here, have to be marked. Recent, remember recent. So which one is the major low? The major low is from here to here, and from here, this one was taken out, but it has created another one from here to here. So now, since it has taken this one out, I am gonna remove this one out. So that's why. So what do I wait for? I wait for a sweep of either one of them. So now I need to see a sweep. Now the price went into the pre-market. Now it failed to take out this high. What happened? Price started falling, 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 falling. Right, 9:30, it took out this low and took out this low again, which is a recent low too. So now what does it tell you? Buy, 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 right? So which means this explains that not every model is perfect. So now once it takes out this buy, this sell side, it means it says buy again. So now we look at it. Here it's 9:30. This candle represents 9:30. So how can you enter when it didn't trade it back into this? So there's no entry criteria. So we wait and we look at it, just go down. There's nothing we can do. It did not meet our trading criteria. We just leave it as that and we move on to the next day. Nothing wrong with it. It protects you from losing unnecessarily. So now we go here, we have 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. There. Right. We look prayer. Is it uptrend or downtrend? Sharp. In our case, it's consolidation and a mini uptrend. So sharp. What are we supposed to do? You have to first mark the major level of resistance, which is, I can just take this one here and extend it. Right. From there, we need the major level of liquidity. I can use this one, and this one, and also this one. Sharp. So now I'm looking at it. We have consolidation from this point up to this point. Which one is our high? Our high starts from here to this point, and another one is above here. So we wait. We enter pre-market 7 a.m. New York time. Then price come here, go up at 8:30, take out this high here, read it, and then at 9:30, at exactly 9:30, this candle, this black yellow candle, black big candle, it comes down and then it closes below the red. You know what that means? It means entry. So the entry should come from here. Where is the entry going? So the entry should go from here there to the next level of liquidity, which is here, right? Where's my stop loss? Just above the normal line. So there we have it. That's the model in fewer and short terms. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow for more. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah.